Hi, good evening. Welcome to Intech 2024. I am Tausif Khan, taking care of S&T Machinery, the complete product basket for Pan India. So I take care of entire sales. STM as a brand has multiple products coming up with vertical machining centers, double column machining centers, and for this Intech we have come up with graphite machining center, which is usually used for the screw room application, and which is a specialized machine for graphite machining. And a lot of features are being included in this machine, where the suction unit, even a lot of preventive measures are being taken for ensuring smooth machining of graphite components. This is STM's largest machine in C-frame, which is named as BL2090. This machine is built for large component machining. This has been specially designed with wide doors so that loading and unloading for the job is being easy. And this machine comes with extended guarding. Extended guarding where larger components can be done in multiple setups. After a big success in vertical machining centers, we have emerged with a new segment of vertical turning lathe with 3 models, which we have launched for the first time in Intech 2024. And this machine comes with 3 different sizes, one with 600, 800 and 1 meter. And these machine comes with standard turret type, and the machine is constructed in such a way which has a very high rugged base, which comes with a premium designed casting, and which is rigid for many sort of applications. Moreover, to capture the pump and valve industry, we have launched this intentionally in Intech 2024 with almost 80% of the components of pump and valve industry can be machined. And in the coming days, maybe we will come up with many more models in vertical turning lathe, which will capture the complete market. Additional to that, we have this machine designed for even aerospace application, railways and heavy engineering. And this machine design is in such a way that it is a it is designed actually from Taiwan, and the machine comes with lot many features which is useful for any sort of the industrial segment where vertical turning is needed.